Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide video. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can add music on Capcut as well as adjust it, like for how long you want the music or like something like that, like when you want to start it, when you want to end it. So let me show you how to do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe. Let's move on. First step, you want to click on versus new project because we want to edit a new video. So from your gallery, choose the video you want to edit. So I will go for this video and click on add at the bottom. So this is the video in which I want to add music. So first, in order to edit a music, you need to add a music. How you add a music? At the bottom, you can see this option called audio. As you guys can see, click on audio and click on versus sounds. Once you do that, it's going to take you to this place where you guys can search for music. You can also choose your own music. If you have, you can click on this folder icon to choose the music you have on your device, but I want to search for it, so I will just go on search at the top. As you guys can see, there's vlog, pop, beat, all the stuff. I will go for a vlog type music. Now there's tons of music over here, so I want to use this second music called Grammar Cultivator. First I have to download it, so I have to click on the download icon right beside the music. Once it's downloaded, you can see the plus icon right beside it. Click on the plus and the music will be added on your videos just like this. So right below my timeline, you can see this audio timeline. That's the music timeline. Now let's edit it. So let's say I want the music to start a bit late. What I can do is click on the audio timeline and then just like, at the edge of the audio timeline, you can see this little, dash button. Click on it and scroll it just like this. Just like this, you can, make the music appear later. So as you guys can see, for the first 4 seconds of my video, there will be no music, but after 4 seconds, the music will start to appear just like this, as you guys can see. And if I want it to be shrinked again, I can go in the end and just like, drag it just like this. I can keep on dragging it until I'm like that, the place where I want it to be. So I want the music to appear in the middle of the video. I don't want it to appear at the end. Just like this, I have selected the music. Now I can export the video and my video's music will start in 4 seconds and end in about 12 seconds. And after that, at the end, there will be no music, and at the intro, there will be no music. But if I want the music to be in the intro as well, I can just extend the music. And remember, you can add multiple music, you don't have to worry about it, alright? And you can also split the music. You can click on split at the bottom and you can split the music just like this. Now we have two music, one over here, one over here. It's the same music, but we just splitted it, so don't worry about it, alright? Hope you understand how you guys can edit music on Capcut. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.